Hello, my name is Naquita. I currently work as a community support specialist, and what we do is we work with children who may have mental health conditions such as ADHD, behavioral problems, um, and other types of self-esteem issues and things of that nature. And what my role is to speak with the child, to see them in their home setting, their school setting, to understand what their family life is like and how they handle their emotions and try and get the information out of them so that way I can communicate with their doctors, their therapists, their parents, their teachers, and other people involved in their life to figure out the best treatment plan possible to help them be successful in school, in their social life, and to help them reach whatever goals they have for themselves. And I feel like I the process is very challenging because there's so many people involved in trying to get the information together. But at the same time, it's a good thing because you have multiple perspectives working together for a common goal. So in that sense, there's a lot of information coming together and a lot of people who are educated enough or caring enough about this person to make sure that the best thing happens for them. So that's a little about me. It's nice to meet you all.